The IPL fixing case is going to be resuming in the Supreme Court, and the respondents, that's the BCCI, N. Srinivasan, Raj Kundra and also Gurunath Mayappan, are expected to argue their side. Now, in the previous hearing, let's tell you what really happened. The Supreme Court did make some scathing observations against N. Srinivasan and asked the BCCI what action it can take on those named in the Mudgal report.
What is your reaction on the Supreme Court
observation? What is your reaction, sir? So the court is questioning.
The court is questioning your conflict of interest, sir.
Pushed into a corner like never before, N. Srinivasan's lawyers are set to reply in the Supreme Court on the allegations of conflict of interest. With one after the other scathing observations coming from the apex court, Srinivasan's position is now untenable.
I don't know whether he's winning or losing, but he should honorably exit. That's what I would like to say. He's a very difficult person. He will not give up so easily unless there is a direction.
And with the BCCI for the first time accepting the position of Gurunath Mayappan as a team official, the future of Chennai Super Kings hangs in the balance. And it's not just CSK, but also the Rajasthan Royals, who faced the axe after the Mudgal report came down heavily against Raj Kundra. Currently, there are 8 teams in the IPL, but with the possibility of Chennai Super Kings and Rajasthan Royals being axed, the IPL 8 season could be reduced to just 6 teams. With cricketer MS Dhoni's triple hat position coming under scanner, the chorus for Dhoni to quit 2 positions is growing.
He has to. He can't be vice president of a company. He becomes an administrator. And then as the captain of the Indian team, he is administrator on the board of BCCI. And then he is also captain of CSK. He has to definitely give up one of his posts. 2 of his posts.
There are big questions which have been raised against cricket's custodians. And it's now time for all those named in the Mudgal report to come clean. Sports Bureau, Times Now.